Alyssa, are you riding your pony?
I like it when you brush me.
We're just gonna need a new triangle
What's that pony say? What does he say? Does he say, I like it when you brush me? Hmm. Oh, are you giving him some carrots? That's awful nice of you to feed your pony. Is he a good boy? Yeah? What's in his mouth? Carrot? Did he eat it all? Yes? Good. Okay, we'll give him some more. Are you giving him some more? He's got carrots in his mouth, huh? Can you ride him? He wants to be rode.
Okay. Here.
You're going to say, giddy up? Okay.
Giddy up. Trolley. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up.
Can you look at Grandma? Look at Grandma and smile. Poor. What's the pony going to do? Oh, he wants more carrots? Okay. You have some to give him? Oh, are they in your hand? Is he eating them? Does he like them? Does Horsey like those carrots? Oh, okay. What are you going to do, ride him some more? Yeah, okay. He likes to ride. Yeah, he likes when you get on him and ride him. He said nay. I heard him galloping. What else does he say? Show me what else he says.
Let's go for a ride.
He wants... You better ride him. Yeehaw! Smile when you ride him. Yay! Giddy up, Horsey. Giddy up. Oh, you're going to get him some more carrots? Well, is he really hungry? Wow. He must be hungry because you've already given him a whole bunch of carrots. You're going to feed him again? Give them to him. Let him eat them. What's your pony's name? Yankee Doodle? Oh, Yankee Doodle. Yankee Doodle went to town a-riding on his horsey. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yeah? Okay, ride him again. You're going to fix him? What's wrong with him? Oh, we're going to do some adjustments, I guess. Are you fixing it? Oh, good. Was he broke? Yeah.
Oh, fixed.
He's all fixed?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's about all we're gonna see of the pony. Tell everybody goodbye.
Bye.